good morning. I am at Walgreens and we are ready to go shopping. So a lot of you guys are really enjoying me walking through the store. I show more deals walking through the store than I would my haul, just because I don't need all that stuff. I don't want to pay that much out of pocket just to show you deals. So I do that, and then after I also have my haul at the end of this video, and then I also have printable breakdowns for you guys too. So if you have any questions on like what insert, because I don't pay attention what insert it is when I'm explaining stuff to you, but I do have what insert they come from always in the printable breakdown. So I will see you guys in a bit. Let's go shopping. We have the Dove body wash on sale for $6. You want to buy 2 of them. I currently have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you'll use, so you'll end up paying $9 for 2 of them, but then you'll get a $4 register reward, making them $5 or $2.50 a piece. So we have a spend 20 get 5 deal. So you want to buy 2 of the Garnier Fructis, that is 2 for $7. We have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you want to use for this one, and then the whole blends is also 2 for $7, and we have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon for that one. But then the Suave is 2 for $6, and we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon for that one. So you want to buy all 6 bottles. You'll pay $9, but then you'll get a $5 cash reward. So this is a deal that you do not want to pay with money, but you get a $5 cash rewards, making them $4 or just 66 cents a piece. The Tampax is technically not on sale, but it's 2 for $5. We currently have a $1 off digital coupon that you want to use. You would end up paying $9 for 2 of them, but then you'll get a $5 register reward or cash reward for buying 2 of them. It comes out to be just $5 or $2.50 a piece. Ninjamas are 2 for $18. I have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon that you'd want to use. You would end up paying $13, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta. There is $2 rebates. You can limit it to 3, so you can do this deal, buy 2 of them, get $4 back, and then you'll get a $4 register reward, making them $5 or $2.50 a piece. The Colgate Toothpaste is on sale for $2.99. You want to use a digital 50 cents, or you can use 2 50-cent paper coupons in today's inserts. You will end up paying $4.98, but then you'll get a $4 register reward, making them 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. Quick razors are on sale for $5.99. You want to buy 2 of them. If you have 2 of the printable $4 off coupons, you want to use that, and it ends up becoming free. I only have 1 of these, and then there is a $3 off digital coupon in the app. So if you have the 1 paper and 1 coupon, you will end up paying $4.98. If you have 2 paper coupons, you will pay $3.98. But then you'll get a $4 register reward for buying both of them. Comes out to be just 98 cents for 2 of them, or absolutely free with the other coupon. The General Mills cereal is on sale for $1.88. We do have a $1 off a 2 digital coupon that you want to use. Your final price would be $2.76, or just $1.38 a piece. The Complete Home Baggies are on sale for $2.79. They are buy 1, you get 2 free. So you'll pay $2.79, making each one just 93 cents a piece. The larger bottles of Snuggle and all are on sale for $6.99. We do have a digital coupon for $2, making them just $4.99 each. We have the Tide at buy 3, get the 4th one free. So you can buy the Tide. You can also look at the Bounce, and then I think there's one other thing, but you want to buy 4 of them. You'll end up paying $14.97, which comes out to be just $3.74 a piece. Hello everybody, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the breakdowns. Like I said, I am trying to show as many deals as possible, and then I show you my haul. A lot of you guys enjoy my haul. So my haul is kind of small, but that's fine. It's stuff that I'm actually really gonna need and I really want to use, so I'm excited for that. So it is a crappy day today. It is raining, sprinkling. I don't know, but it's a perfect day for shopping because everybody just doesn't want to do anything. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got. Now, I knew for a fact I was not going to get Crest coupons. I got one $2 off, one for Oral-B, and then I didn't have any for toothbrushes or toothpaste. I had a 6 off of 4, which I wasn't gonna do, but then I was like, okay, what am I gonna do here? I never get those 3 off of 2. I don't know if it's just like a one-time thing and then it lasts all month long. I don't know, but I didn't get it, so I decided not to do it. And then I just realized I could have done the 6 off of 4, or the, yeah, but I'm like, whatever. I'm not worrying about it right now. But this is an okay deal if you guys need to do it. But the Colgate toothpaste is $2.99. You want to use 2.50 off coupon. There is one digital, or you can use a paper. You'll end up paying $4.98 for this, but then you'll get a $4 register reward, making this 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. So it depends on if you need that. I'm trying to cut back on a lot of sugar products, but I really am craving Honey Nut Cheerios, and I do not have any Honey Nut Cheerios at my house. But these are on sale this week for $1.88. There is a insert coupon somewhere, but I used my digital coupon for $1 off of 2. You would end up just getting these for $2.76 or $1.38, which is a pretty decent deal. So I wanted to get that. I am like I have so much Fruit Loops, it's beyond crazy. Like, I just can't eat any more Fruit Loops, so I just been eating all my other stuff because I just got nothing but Kellogg's cereal just for those book deals, and I got so much. I ended up using 3 registry rewards, which I did take out or add into my total of how much I paid. So I had to have some filler items. All my items that I had involved coupons, so I got these for filler items, just because yeah. And then I ended up doing the spend 20, you get a $5 cash rewards. I did not use the employee discount because of that, and this is a deal I think you shouldn't pay with points. They changed their system around, but I'm not sure if you still get them or not. I didn't chance it. But this is 2 for $7. You want to use a 4 off of 2 coupon. I also got the whole blends that is also 2 for $7, and I used the 4 off of 2 digital. And then I ended up getting the Suave Kids stuff because my husband's not a big fan of Suave, and I have so much Suave. But the Suave Kids were also 2 for $6. So I got these. I got the Suave Kids 100% natural coconut oil, and then I got the Watermelon Wonder because we're almost out of the kids shampoo. These were 2 for $6, and then I had a 3 off of 2 coupon. So you guys want to buy all 6 of these. You'll end up paying $9 for all of them, but then you get $5 in cash rewards, making them just $4 for all of them, or 66 cents. So it just depends on if you want to do that deal or not, but I just wanted to do that deal just because I think it's 66 cents for that stuff is a pretty good deal, and that's stuff that I use and need. And then I ended up getting the Bic razors. I got it. Nope, that's all I got. I ended up getting the Bic razors. Now these are on sale for $5.99. They are, okay, why did I write $5? They're $5.99. I had a 4 off of 3. I had a 4 off printable coupon and a 3 off a digital coupon. If you have the 2 printables, definitely use that. But with the 4 and the 3, it comes to $4.98. If you have both 4s, it comes to $3.98. But then you'll get a $4 register reward for buying them, making them 98 cents for the 4 and 3 coupon, or free if you have the 2 4s. So I thought I had the 2 4s, but one of them expired. So there was that. So I got those. So that was my total, you guys. It was kind of sad. I did 2 separate transactions just because I did one where I paid with my points, and then I did another one where I did not pay with points. A lot of people are saying that the store has tons of clearance. My store hardly had any clearance. They had maybe 2 signs of like laundry detergent that was like 60 cents, but it was all gone. Everything else has been sold out for weeks. So not a big deal. But my total with the registry rewards that I paid with my transactions is factored in this total. So my total came to $21. I ended up getting $8 back with registry rewards. I did want to get the Compede. If you watched my deal last week, that's a great moneymaker, but my store was sold out, so that is okay. I ended up getting $10.30. I think I had a get $5 in points if I spend $30 or more. So I ended up doing that. So my total came to be $2.70. I got 15 items at just 18 cents a piece, which I was pretty excited for. It's a small haul, but it's a great haul. You know, stuff that I'm using. I cannot wait to have a bowl of cereal. I just absolutely love cereal, so I am so excited to have a bowl of cereal when I get home, because I just went straight to shopping and didn't eat breakfast. But that is my haul, you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for being awesome. Thanks for being supportive. And I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.